Alright gang, welcome back to another adventure. Today I'm back up at the Bake Oven Knob. It's actually election day. I'm joined with Exploring with the Coal Cracker and Madam Exploring with the Coal Cracker. He just did some B-roll, so he just went to get his camera, so here he comes right now. So what we're here to see...
Are we there yet?
Almost, you're getting there. What we're here to see is, which I didn't know about the last time I was here, he had mentioned there's about a 3-inch in diameter rock that looks like it's holding up the entire mountain. So that's what we're going to check out. And if we can get to that and still have time, there's another section that he wants to show me too while we're up here. So tag along with us and enjoy what we see.
Now, from what I gathered on the internet, this used to be like a bus stop for the Appalachian Trail. Ooh, haven't done this in a while. And
You mean we could have taken a bus up here?
I wish. I drove my Jeep up here once.
Look at the rock over there.
Yeah. Well, that part looks nice. Get around my way.
Yeah, that actually looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it was nice since the last I saw. Last I saw it wasn't colored. It's just black and white. But over here, I think a cabin, like what they call a shelter, that was built up here. You can see something industrial was up here.
I did not even take notice of that last time I was here, so okay. So what he's saying is there used to be like a cabin built here at one time, because this was what they would call the bus stop for the Appalachian Trail. Hence why I was just asking, we could take a bus up here? So this is the remnants of the foundation of what was here. So I did not see that in the last video. And don't forget, I will link the video, my previous video in here, and I'll also link his channel and his video to today's adventure in there too as well.
Get a shot of this without the rocks. Let's see if I can get a closer image. Yeah, I think that's Carbon County. And over to your right would be
A little better than last time. Last time it was kind of hazy and couldn't really see it that well.
I thought it was a mushroom.
No.
So one other thing I wanted to mention too. They did get a little bit of a taste of my personality at the JP Videos meetup at Pioneer Tunnel in Ashland. So they're pretty much already used to me.
Take a picture of me. I was just smiling.
No, he was going for me.
Yes.
Oh, that was a look of the Carbon County side.
Okay, I think it's just over that way, about 10 miles that way.
Is it really that far? Schuylkill? Okay, so Schuylkill County's over this way. This is Carbon County over here. And then Lehigh County would be on this side.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say, since we're on the Appalachian Trail right now, we're in Appalachian County. Sounded good. solid.
I don't know if any radio towers are there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's metal.
Yeah. We're gonna move over there, Hunt. At that house.
There you go. Alright, so here's a look at the Lehigh County side. Again, much nicer without the haze from that I had last time.
I think right down there, between those two big buildings, that's an airport.
Okay. So where all those
577 Jersey, you want to get a view of this, there's an airport for you. Bring your butt fan and your parachute.
Your butt fan. Okay, that's the first time I've heard that called that. I like it.
That's what he called it. I told him to bring it along when we go looking at mine. We could blow all the air we want out. He said, that'll do it. It'll blow the trees out of the ground. Alright, now.
So the camera really can't do this justice, but that is a pretty decent drop right there.
Yeah.
It pretty much goes straight down and then that way. Same with over here. You got this ledge right here, and then beyond that, straight down. So we can actually get down here, give you a peek at that. For those of you who are afraid of heights, close your eyes. So yeah, here's what we're looking at. We got this nice sturdy tree here to hold on to, but yeah, it pretty much just drops right there. Probably good 30 feet or so, and then it just goes downhill and just keeps going down that way. So definitely things to be mindful of and be careful of when you're exploring in a location like this. So yeah, get back up here. Look at this grass up here. It's like, need to bring a tractor up here and mow that. It's getting a little out of hand. Oh. So maybe we'll check this out. Oh wow, yeah, look at that view. So right in there, that's Bake Oven Road. That's, whoop, I'm pointing way too high. Right down in here is Bake Oven Road, and that's the road I came in on. You can see it right there. Comes into here, and then up this way, and then it switchbacks up the mountain to get up here. That is just incredible, an amazing view.
Way over there. That's our base house. Way over there. Left your lights on.
Yeah, well, you know, parents are home.
I think that's where Quakertown is that way, right?
It's over there yonder.
Okay.
So he's trying to point to my house. It's like over that way somewhere. It's about an hour that way. There's a Gatorade bottle down there. This is just awesome. Seeing over the treetops like this. Looking down on them. Pretty incredible. The farmland, the fields and all that. It's just breathtaking views. And you got mountain range over this way. Just incredible.
See a lot of views up here. That's a tree, don't have leaves, but I'm looking over there.
This guy.
What is
I have.
peanut?
It might be.
Peanut head?
Peanut head.
Peanuts.
Kind of looks like a duck to me.
Oh,
See, there's the beak.
Oh, okay, now I see.
There's his eye. There's his little, you
I
know,
thought those were two eyes together.
Duck.
his, what do you call that? Crow's wrinkle.
Yep.
Trying to be positive about it.
See, my thing doesn't stay focused when I zoom in. I think that might be Allentown where that blue tank is.
So I'm gonna say it, only because I say it in everybody else's videos. You need a Samsung S10 Plus.
Mm-hmm.
The JP Videos starter kit.
I only got the S10.
Oh, well, at least, you know, that's better than, yeah. All right, so we're heading to the depths. However you say that.
This is in the highway. This is, I guess basically it'd be considered a park up here.
Don't fall.
I'll try not to, hon.
Yeah, see, I did come down here
You did?
last time, yeah,
Okay.
because I got down to that tree right there.
Okay, well, it's right in there.
So I probably did see it and just didn't pay attention to it.
It's been a while. I gotta refresh my memory. All right, I gotta turn this camera off. Or you're gonna see some footage you don't want to see.
So we'll leave mine rolling so we can catch that. Down we go. Down we go.
Yeah, this is it.
Oh, somebody left their sheet here. Getting a little moldy.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I think I did come down here. Yeah.
You did? Okay. As I said, I haven't remembered.
Because I did
remember
see
seeing
that.
a
I got
smaller-
pictures of this.
I remember seeing a smaller rock.
There's some smaller ones right there above the CA.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, this is pretty wild how this is all stacked up right here.
Yeah, it came down.
And you
to
can
this.
see there's smaller ones right there. Just
Now, if I remember right, there's
hanging.
a. I might not be in the right spot. This is impressive enough. This is leaning probably at like a 45-degree angle towards us. And my wife's up there somewhere.
very sketchy, but
Yeah.
cool looking at the same time.
But I remember a little tiny rock like those wedged under a big rock like that and another big rock, and that was it. I don't know if this is it or not. Well, let's just scout around while we're down here.
All right, moving on.
I don't see the little.
Moving on down.
I'm not sure if I'm in the right location, but damn, it's gotta be. Because I remember seeing. Trying to go down without going. There was like a rock that stuck out this.
Like
Not
juts
that-
out.
Yeah.
Maybe that fell already. If it's been that long, it might be down the bottom of the mountain.
Yeah, there's another shot. What we were looking at. You can see where C and the A is on that rock. You can see they're all stacked up, and I
That didn't
remember
sound
seeing a
good.
real tiny rock here. I don't think I'm in the exact right location. We might have to go over to that
Oh.
rock pile.
That's what I'm hearing. The plastic bottle we stepped on is creaking.
Oh yeah, we got two litters.
This is kind of cool out here. Yeah, see, I think I was down here. There you go, you can see.
They pushed all these rocks up like this.
Looking up this way. That's pretty neat.
I don't think you're in the right.
Okay. So he's trying to remember exactly where he saw this because
They all
it
look the
has been a
same.
while. Yeah.
All the rocks look the same.
All the rocks look the
This is
same.
kind of a path here, though. Like I said, it's been 12 years. Maybe someone took the
12
rock
years,
out.
okay. So it's been 12 years since he was up here last. Over on this side, again, you got this drop. That actually looks like a cool little area to hang out down there. Because we can get to it this way. So let's go take a peek at that. I wonder if what you're looking for is over here.
It might be. I remember it being right underneath this.
On that side.
these rows. Where you foot? That top is the one you need. It might be down that way.
It could be down here. Yeah, definitely being careful. All right. Yeah, let's do it. Yep, I'm good. Just gotta weed up my leg. All right, so yeah, this looks like a pretty cool area to hang out at.
Oh, look out.
Man down.
That was a little one.
But not me. We got a little path going this way. This is a little bit loose with the dirt, so we just got to take our time and be careful. Here you got, you guys can see it better than I can. There's kind of like a little void through here.
I don't see that rock that looks like a platform. Yeah, you okay?
Yeah. Do that as smart as possible.
Don't try this at home.
Another void right here. So we're gonna.
Unless this all changed in 12 years.
Some pretty cool stuff around here, though.
It is. I haven't been up here in a while. Huh.
Lots of trash.
There's some little caves in here too. Woo. Yeah, might find some caves in here, but nothing.
Okay, so I know some of my viewers right now are in like panic mode because I'm out here, so I'm good. I'm okay. You don't need to panic. We're good. We're safe. I think I can see the turnpike from here.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yep, way over there.
Wow.
Line, I think.
Oh yeah, because the tunnel's over that way. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that train line out down the bottom, and the other side went through the mountain and then over through Wind Gap.
Okay.
I followed it one time, trying to see it in the woods and that.
Still pretty
there,
visible.
Through the trees, you can see them high level. It'll come over to your left.
Did you say rocks?
No, hawks.
Oh, hawks. Oh, okay. Oh, right there.
Yeah,
Okay.
behind the
I see it.
stuff.
I see it
There
now.
he is.
One right there. Yeah, these. When I was here last, I was talking to a guy who was monitoring them, and he said that these all fly along this range, and this goes right to Hawk Mountain too.
Mm-hmm.
That was in my other video.
Yeah.
That looks pretty interesting over there. It's like a bunch of small ones.
Because I remember a rock sticking out, and it looked like a walkway going
Like
out.
it was jutting.
Sort of like this, but more pronounced outward.
Right. Something's down there.
But like I said, things change over the years. It might be over there.
All right, grab you guys. Show you the hawks flying around over here. Just make them out. There's one right there. He's holding my rock steady. Rock steady. Oh, copyright.
Wow, look at them all.
There's one down here.
There's a bunch of them just came out.
Pretty wild. You can really see them when they're flying over the field like that. They kind of lose them over the trees, but oop, this one's coming this way.
To catch them in mid-flight.
Yeah. Oh, there's one there.
There's one.
Still cool to see up here. There's still a lot of leaves on the trees. Down in my area, most of them are off now from the winds and the storms or rain that we've had the last couple days. I should know because I had to clean them all up yesterday. It was not fun. And I still have more to do. What is that? Is that a frisbee? That round yellow thing right up there. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, it is.
Huh. Alright, we're gonna head back up. Again, I'll give you a look in this void here. Wow, that's picking it up pretty good. I have my flashlight, so let's see if there's anything in there worthwhile. And it's dead. It's dead. So, no flashlight. Alright. So I'm gonna have to put you guys down to get up back up this.
That didn't work.
Fail.
Fail. It's like the train video at Pioneer. Well, at least I got a nice shot of you. That's our good time. No, don't fall.
Yes, root me on, don't fall. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna try to set you guys down so I can get up here. All right, well, I guess I didn't have to. Pretty much sat on my butt and hiked my leg up and it worked pretty good. So. Oh, here it is.
It's the rocket station.
That's the one we're looking for.
Uh-oh.
I just found it. Just where'd the big one go that was over top of it?
I don't know what that is in there. It looks like a kid's. Well, I can't get to it. It's too.
Yeah, I wouldn't even try.
Yeah.
That looks like a neat spot to get out on too to get some shots, but.
Let's walk, not slide.
Like big kids on an adventure here. Yeah, it's definitely some kind of toys, but
Oh, and actually,
not sure though what it is, but slide down here.
hi, I'm way up there. See her?
Alright, so there's Coal Cracker on top of a giant boulder on a mountain. Isn't he supposed to be in a coal mine somewhere? I don't know.
I got lost.
He made a wrong turn. He came up the vent,
The vent.
the air shaft.
Yeah, I found the vent. Yeah, right here. Wow.
Oh.
Oh, I see. This is like just a boulder field over here.
Alright, so we were over there. Just came across over to here now.
It drops off there, but then over there, it's level.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh wow.
Yeah, if you look, it drops off here.
That's interesting. Yeah, there's a big boulder field right here.
To my right?
And then there's a drop down here.
Yeah.
And that is just another incredible view. And again, I couldn't see that the last time I was here, but if you look way off in the distance, right there where those big trucks are moving, that's the northeast extension of the Pennsylvania Turnpike. Leading up towards the tunnel, the Lehigh Tunnel, which would be just over this way. Going through this very same mountain. Just not in this exact spot. If that makes sense. I mean, it sounded good in my head. So. Alright, so yeah, here's this boulder field over here. And now we're gonna, I guess, attempt to make our way back up. Maybe?
Trying to see.
Think about it. He's still determined. He's looking for this little rock.
Well, I don't see. There should be a boulder below us sticking out.
Yeah.
Something like that, but bigger. Unless that's.
Ooh, yeah, that is a drop. Wow. There's even trees growing out of it.
Down low. You got the little.
At least the trees, you got something to grab onto before they break. Oh, look at the hawks now. I'm just up there circling. That is, again, that view is just really impressive.
Marco.
Hello.
There's another void in here. Nice little critter den. Alright, so there's trash just everywhere. It's just unreal.
I guess that's what it was.
Getting all these little fuzzies all over me.
Okay.
Yeah. Being attacked by cotton.
Oh, jeez.
Miniature cotton. Okay, here we go. Alright, you guys ready? We're gonna running start. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tell you what, let's I'm gonna have to put you guys down, so let's dissolve
Your camera.
my way up to there.
Scotty, see, I'm underneath this slab. I
Okay.
can walk.
So we made it up from down there.
And
And yes,
yeah, this has to be it.
that was a
RJ.
JP thing, and the checks in the mail.
Now, right there is a good shot of what I'm talking about. There's not much holding this mountain up but gravity.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And I just put this back in place.
So that is broken.
So if someone broke this or
Yeah,
pressure,
Yeah, it could.
that one, I shouldn't be doing that while I'm in here.
Yeah, no, not a good idea.
But you can walk actually right through this. Yeah, this is it.
Polio.
And then turn around and go around to another one.
So this is what we were looking for, because if you look at this, you can see this one is stacked on these here, and then this one, these two are just being held up by this little one right here, which this one is broken. So this one doesn't move.
I gotta find it.
That one doesn't move. This one's broken, so this one comes out, but we're gonna leave it in there. And you can actually crawl through here.
I don't know if you want to come this
That's
way,
weird.
RG, and check out the.
Yeah, we're gonna come through.
Just don't bump it.
Yeah, right? Famous last words. Don't bump the rocks. I see you. Too old for this shit.
Yeah, you're the king. There's a crown above your head.
A crown? Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's J. I don't see an R.
Okay. Of all the dumbest things I've ever done, this probably isn't one of them yet.
Watch, you know.
Ooh, yeah, no, that would not be fun.
Yeah, if you look inside out, you'll see that rock I was talking about.
Oh, yeah, there you go. There's a good shot of my crotch for you. I know some people will appreciate that.
If you wanna.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. So, yeah, there's a good shot. Well, I mean, this part here is sitting pretty solid on there, too.
Right.
So,
But if you look how it's stacked, it's like a.
yeah.
Look right above your head. It's an.
Oh.
Yeah.
The mind is what kills. When will I be good enough? Hmm.
Reading some of the graffiti. This is
That's,
one hell of a Jenga
interesting.
game. Jenga, anybody? I'll take that piece right there. Look at how it's cracked. You can see the pressure that's being put on these rocks.
Yeah, I'm gonna set you guys down
I
again.
I don't know if anyone's strong enough to bust it up by hand or even bring a sledgehammer down and bust that. So, but yeah. that is not
Oh wow.
gonna be there a while. You cut glass.
No, just a scrape probably from
There's
something.
glass on that rock over there. I see.
Oh, look at this. Did you see these? There's these little stones under here.
Yeah. Some more baby rocks.
Wow.
Giving birth.
Yeah, that's good. Those are, well, that one moves a little bit. Yeah, those are all under pressure.
And everything's just right above you, stacked.
Yeah. There's even some right there.
Stacked. You can see the cracks in the rock. I think even this tree is just wedged in there.
It's just hanging on for dear life.
Let's see over here. Oh,
Get some other ones
a little bit.
down in here. Shame my light's dead, isn't it? There we go. Use the old backup Streamlight.
Tons of caves here.
No, not sponsored.
Tons of caves in here. Just gotta get to them.
Yeah, right.
You can go right through that way too.
Oh yeah, look at that. All right, you guys go that way. Were we down there? No, we weren't down there.
We're
were we?
down on that blue rock.
We were down on that one?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we went over to that one.
Okay.
that's-
I thought so.
And I think what I'm looking for might be that rock down there. Yeah, I remember it sticking out.
Okay, let's see.
Unless I'm thinking of this, but you know how it gets when you're.
Oh, that one there?
Might be, but I remember seeing something really sticking out. Like,
Yeah.
ooh, I wouldn't want to stand on that. It just looks like it's just. Sweet. Where are the steps?
So where do you think, next to the escalator?
No.
Where do you think the airport is? Is that
See the
Allentown?
See those two buildings down here? Like you get to the tree line and then
Yeah.
the field, and then there's two white sheds. Those long white sheds.
Oh,
That's like a private.
it looks
airport.
like over to the right, I see a skyscraper. That might be downtown Allentown.
That might be Allentown, the PP&L building,
Yeah.
if that's what they call it anymore.
I forget what they call it, but
Used
yeah,
to be.
right there.
Back in
is
the 70s.
the city of Allentown by the looks of it from where we're at.
Just a little hazy. And I think if it was a
Going
real
over.
clear day, I think you could see all the way in New Jersey.
Well, if that might be the brain fart again.
Yep.
Lehigh Valley Airport.
Right below us here,
Yeah, the one you're seeing there, or are you talking about something closer?
real close. Like you see the red
Oh,
barn,
right there.
and then there's two white sheds. You'll see tires
Oh,
in
yeah.
the field.
Now I
That's
see
that's a small airport. That's
Okay,
and once
that's a butt fan airport. Okay, I
Yep.
gotcha. Not an international airport.
No, I don't think they want to land a big 747 there. That would be nice.
Ah, you know,
I think the neighbors are complaining.
it'd be fine. They'll be okay.
Imagine that, how big those damn things are.
All right. Well, we're gonna head back up. Maybe. Maybe I'll climb this tree branch.
I don't know what you
See if I can drop it on my head.
I'm gonna take the lower road.
Yeah, it looks a little more spacious that way.
Yeah.
Just getting to it's the challenge.
Okay. We came in from up there. We're gonna go in back. Another little passageway here.
All kinds of goodies hidden in. Oh, somebody was McDonald's. Had French fries up here.
Yeah, right there.
Guess we can call them mountain fries.
Mountain front.
Mick Mountain fries. There you go.
Oh!
Yeah, definitely want to watch your footing. That is a
cough.
straight down. What about turn your head? You forgot that part.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
So here's this one that's.
Sorry, gotcha. I'm laughing.
No, this is good. I need to laugh. Trust me. It's been a crappy month. Believe me.
Oh, I'm thinking of Three Stooges when I said that.
Anyway, here's this rock that's cracked right here. It's fractured. You can see coming all the way down to here. So it probably goes all the way over on the other side. So if I touch that, it might just. So let's not touch that.
Don't F with Mother Nature.
I touched it. Suck it in.
Yeah, don't bump that. That's gonna make one loud noise.
Okay. Good thing I got this girlish figure. So yeah, there we go. And back up we go.
I went over there. I was down there.
Beautiful when the sun's starting to set up here.
It's like some kind of marker or something here. Anchor or something. Maybe from rock climbers?
Unfortunately, that's what it is. Paint.
I guess we'll take a peek out here quick again.
Go up here a lot?
This is my second time.
Last time we came up here was about 12 years ago.
Oh, that's interesting. This is the deep end. Yeah, you ain't kidding. That it is. But yeah, this is probably the best view of them all because you can see everything from up here. So I'll give you a slow sweeping pan so you can see what I'm seeing. Hopefully it's stable. Okay, so this is good. She just asked what was on this rock. He just said it's Bigfoot's poop. Alright, so actually I think I'm going to end this video here and do 2 separate videos out of this. So watch for the next location in another video, another upload. So until then, we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, all that good stuff.
Got horror on it.
Drink on the mountain, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Yeah, real fun.